brandtech, select your best brand.
Best 5 cool gadgets on Amazon. The number 1 product on our list is Wallet Ninja. The power of 18 reliable, functional, everyday tools, in the size of a credit card. Tools that are included within the Wallet Ninja are 6 hex wrenches, a can opener, fruit peeler, bottle opener, ruler, standard and metric. Letter opener, box opener, phone stand, eyeglasses, Phillips, and flat head screwdriver. World's first 100% flat multi-tool, 18-in-1, and fits in your wallet with credit cards, made from 4x heat-treated steel. Great for repairmen, mechanics, carpenters, hobbyists, boat owners, campers. Lifetime guarantee to never rust, bend, or dull. The number 2 product on our list is Canary Flex. Works with Alexa for voice control, Alexa device sold separately. Powerful HD camera with night vision. Unrivaled versatility, indoor-outdoor HD security that works wire-free or plugged in. Works with Alexa, stream video to Echo Show or Echo Spot, field of view, 116 degrees wide-angle lens. Most common uses, front porch, nursery, backyard pool, home office, small business, HD video, day and night, wide-angle lens, auto night vision with image pan and zoom. AI-powered intelligence, person detection, smart alerts included free. One-touch emergency services, local police, fire, EMT numbers pre-populated in-app. The number 3 product on our list is Prynt Pocket. The Prynt Pocket turns your iPhone into a palm-sized instant camera. Print any photo saved to your phone or favorite social networks, anywhere. But there's more. The Prynt app enables you to add a video inside your photo. When you share your Prynt photo with friends, they can use the Prynt app to unlock the video clip, magically bringing your Prynt photo to life. Print any photo instantly, print any photo from your camera roll or social networks, or shoot in real time. The Prynt app allows you to choose photos directly from Instagram, Snapchat and your camera roll. Watch the phone print in seconds with one simple tap. Embed a video to make your photo come to life. Prynt uses augmented reality to make your photo come to life. The Prynt app gives you the option to add a video inside your photos. Hold the Prynt app over your photos and watch as it comes to life. The number 4 product on our list is TacForce Tactical Folding Knife. This knife's sturdy aluminum handle features a bottle opener and a glass breaker on the end, which can be used to punch out the window of a car in an emergency. It also has a pocket clip for easy and safe carry. Spring Assist Folding Knife offers rapid one-handed deployment, locks securely into place with liner lock. Black half-serrated stainless steel blade, aluminum handle with bottle opener and glass breaker for emergencies. Comes complete with a pocket clip for easy and safe carry, 4-1/2 inch closed length. 3-1/4 inch blade length with 3 mm thickness. Knife needs to be pushed to the side to close. The final pick on our list is Gerber GDC Zip Blade. Gerber knows being prepared isn't a state of being so much as a philosophy. Which is why having the right tool on hand is about little things that make the difference. Sometimes the job's as simple as cutting twine or slicing open a box, but try those things without a blade enough times and you'll appreciate the compact efficiency of the GDC Zip Blade. Part of Gerber's daily carry collection, this Zip Blade is the bulldog of utility knives. Squat enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it has enough muscle to strip wire, cut cardboard, and slice through toughest of clamshell packaging. Ever-ready blade. The quick-release clip lets you remove this tool with one hand, leaving your other one free to steady a load or keep things aligned. When open, a frame lock keeps the compact 68-inch fine-edge blade secure, so there's no wobble when you're powering through a cut. A built-in fob lets you attach it to the zipper of your jacket or bag, so it's close at hand when you need it.